In this video, I'll show you how to add short-term memory to your agents so that they can remember conversations you have with them. LLMs are naturally stateless. Let's see an example. I load my API keys, then I create an agent, and after that, I send a message to my agent with the content, "Hello, my name's Tom and my favorite food is pizza." The LLM responds me with the message, "Hi Tom, pizza is a great favorite." But if we send another message to the same agent and ask, "What's my favorite food?" it doesn't remember anymore. To fix that, we use a concept called checkpointer in LangChain. So checkpointer basically saves the state of a conversation, so later you can load that state and continue the conversation from that specific point. To use checkpointer in your code, you have to specify the checkpointer parameter when you create the agent, and then you can pass InMemorySaver from LangGraph. So it basically creates a checkpointer for you in your memory. Then we repeat the same process with the difference that here now we created a config and we pass a thread ID. So thread ID basically a unique identifier of a conversation that you had with an agent. Here, after we make another question and ask, "What's my favorite food?" Tada, it remembers the answer. And that's what we call short-term memory. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and see you in the next one.